Alrighty, everyone. I got a request to show my garage vacuums. I can't remember his name, but he wanted to see my garage vacuums running. So this will be 3 different parts. But first up, we have the Hoover Elite Rewind. This is one I got for free back in June, and yeah. So couldn't sell it. I don't know why. No one wanted it. So yeah. I will be taking the headlight out of this one and putting my blue one. But that one, this is really scuffed up, and headlight does work though. Bumper is missing now. It wasn't before, but I took it off because it looked really ugly and stuff. So that's why. Came with no attachments, and it's the same issue as the blue one where the power switches. Yeah. So you have to like push at an angle, but I'm working on finding something to shove in there to act like one of those little pegs. But anyway, so I'll vacuum both rugs, and we'll do show 83 next, and the turbo. So here we go. This thing doesn't run the best, but it runs. Like I said, that damn power switch. Unplugged or what? Oh, is that the throw a fuse? No, it's still fun. Cord short. Anyway, I guess that's all she wanted to run, huh? So, do the same with the other. And yes, my garage is getting fixed up and cleaned up. Still waiting to clean all that up in that mess. Yeah, don't ask. We had people standing here and they trashed it.